thermal conductivity of hybrid recycled aggregate. The massive production of various materials in the world bring high amounts of waste. The following report aims to show the use of crushed rubber grain, fallout tiers, and recycled concrete for the production of new non-structural concrete as an alternative of an insulating material. Recycled concrete is 20 and 25% less resistant to compression compared to traditional concrete. Since recycled concrete works as an aggregate, it does not have the same capacity to accommodate particles as a traditional aggregate. In addition to being a material with a lower density and having previously been subjected to stress and loads, which weakens the structure of the material. Below, the evaluation of the response of the material is shown charging for 5 to 20% the granular material for recycled concrete and 10 to 20% the thin material for ground rubber, used in different combinations. The granular materials are a limestone recycled concrete with minimum strength of 27 megapascals. The fine aggregate is a natural silica sand, ground tile rubber, and Portland cement type 1. The granulometry of material complies with the established ASTM standards and shows in the graphs. Material response were analyzed from the following mix combinations. 3 115 mm cubes were made for each mixture to find the under compression. Concrete slabs are made with each of the mixtures. The thermal conductivity in the dry state is measured. The following results are obtained. The greater the amount of recycled concrete and crushed rubber, the compressive strength of concrete decreases, but parallel to this, the thermal conductivity decreases when the recycled materials are incorporated. Next, the typical material characterization tests were carried out, such as density, water absorption, having its principle the use for the same water-cement ratio. According to the results obtained, the decrease in compressive strength of concrete is evident, which necessarily shows the material cannot be used structural concrete. In the same way, the results shows us a favorable thermal conductivity, which gives an advantage to materials that are waste from other processes. It should be taken into account that the material must restrict to use the recycled elements, especially ground rubber, since this tends to repel water, generating internal voids and reducing the strength of concrete. It is included that the material although it cannot be used in a structural concrete is an excellent alternative for construction as an insulator. It is also a planet-friendly material as it uses waste from other processes, reducing the ecological footprint. They are lighter materials due to their lower density, which constructively represents an advantage at time of installation, transport, and loads. Thank you.